We're seeing a new Google Pixel 8 leak every day now, with some promotional images, or straight up ads, whatever you want to call them, have been outed and are giving us a better idea what to expect from the upcoming device. Today's report tells us expect price the Pixel 8a to go for $499 with 128 GB of storage, and $599 with 256 GB. Last week a new leak arrives to show us real-life image and hands-on video showing Pixel 8 to come with black, white, blue, and mint. It is expected to debut during the Google I/O 2024 event in May 14th. A leaked Pixel 8 retail box out of Vietnam in late January revealed the model number G6GPR. The Pixel 8 will feature a 6.1-inch display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The Pixel 8a's screen will have 1400 nits of peak HDR brightness. It will be powered by the Tensor G3 chipset just like the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. It will come with 8 GB of RAM, and should be available in a 256 GB storage, and boots Android 14. We also expect to see it get Google's same 7-year OS upgrade promise. It managed 1,218 single-core score and a 3,175 multi-core performance. Pixel 8 may get same 64-megapixel main sensor as the Pixel 7a, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel selfie camera. It's powered by 4,500 mAh battery with 27W charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.